In this tutorial, I will discuss about how to perform ANOVA for experiment having randomized complete block design by using statistix 8.1 software. Problem statement. A student of agriculture is interested to compare the average yield of 6 varieties of wheat. The following grain yield was recorded given in table below. Test the significance of varieties and draw your conclusion at 5% level of significance. Total 4 blocks indicate varieties. Note: field was divided into 4 sections, each section having 6 varieties. The total experimental units are 24. Solution. First, arrange the given data in Excel sheet like this. There will be 3 columns and 3 rows. 2, 3 columns, and 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. In first column, write block, in second treatment, and in third column put the yield data or any other recorded data. Data will be like that. Copy the data from the Excel sheet and paste in the statistix software. Follow the instructions. Select statistics, then linear model, then analysis of variance, and then randomize complete block design. After selecting randomize complete block design, you will find a screen like that. First, add all the variables to their concerned boxes. Yield, block, and treatment. Yield into dependent variable box, block into block variable block, and treatment into treatment variable box. Then press OK. By clicking OK, the ANOVA table will be appear. This is the ANOVA table. From this table, the DF means degree of freedom, SS mean sum of square, MS mean mean square, while the P describes the probability value. From the given table, the P value is less than 0.05, thus apply LSD test. If the data is significant, we need to apply LSD test. For LSD test, first go to result, then select multiple comparison, Then select all pairwise comparison. Then you found small box like this. Here select the following option. Number 1 LSD, number 2 alpha, which will be 0.05, and then homogeneous group, and then press OK. After clicking OK, you found a table like this. Conclusion. From the above test, we can conclude that the overall effect of treatment on wheat yield is significant. Treatment 1 show maximum grain yield, followed by T2, which was statistically at par with T4 and T5. Similarly, the difference between T3, T2 and T4 is non-significant. Minimum grain yield is recorded for T6. Therefore, T1 is recommended for general use. Thank you for watching.